Welcome back to this video. Do you know that with just your photo uploaded in Google Photo or on Facebook or on Instagram or any social media platform, with that, someone can still track you with just your photo being uploaded on your Google Photo or on your social media platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to simply fix that with your Google Photo in a simple setting. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are already new to this channel, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your Google Photo. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Google Photo. After you open up your Google Photo, let's say for instance, this particular photo right here, I want to post this photo on my Facebook. So what you need to do is to make sure you click on the photo. Then when you click on the photo, next thing you need to do is to click on share icon right here. Then it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on here. Privacy protection is on. So click on that. So what you need to do is to simply turn off this particular button. Remove location information. Then make sure you also turn off remove photo information. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on done. Then you can see now that protection turn off. So next thing you can do, you can simply share your photo on Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Gmail, WhatsApp. Then you can swipe and see more way by which you can use to share this particular photo. And with that, if anybody found this particular photo on any of the platforms that you share it, they will not be able to track you or know your location or where the picture was taken from. It's that simple. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.